In this video, we're going to talk about how to calculate the area and perimeter of a rectangle. We already have a question on the screen, so let's jump right into it. I'll first write out solution. We are told to calculate the area and perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 28 centimeters and its width is 34 centimeters. So the first thing I want to do is to write out my importance values. Now, these are my givens. One of my important value here is that we are told the length we are given is 28 centimeters. So this is L here is equal to 28 centimeters. And then my width is 34 centimeters. So see, the width is 34 centimeters. The question also tells us to find the area and perimeter. So I'll come here and say we're supposed to find I, area, and then II, perimeter. So the first thing we are finding is the area. So I'll come here and say for area, the area of a rectangle is given as equal to the length times the width, or sometimes just said as length times breadth. So the area is simply equal to, I'll take the value here and multiply it with this value. So the length here is 28 times the width is 34. That means the area is equal to 34 times 28 is 952. Now the unit is centimeter square. So the second thing we are finding here is the perimeter. So I'll say for perimeter, the perimeter of a rectangle is given as 2 open brackets L plus W. So that the perimeter here is equal to, if I substitute everything here into this formula, it becomes 2 open brackets. The length is 28 plus the width is 34, and then the perimeter is then given us 2 open brackets. We solve everything inside the brackets first. So 28 plus 34 is 62. And then the perimeter here is equal to 2 times 62, which is 124. Now the unit is simply the same thing as the unit of the length. So this will be centimeter here. So that's how to find the perimeter and the area of a rectangle. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.